Assalamualaikum. I am glad to join you today on the day of independence. I am here to remember this memorable day. 14 August, the day of Pakistan, is a very common day for other nations, but it is one for the Pakistani people. The story of freedom is a continuous struggle of centuries of the Muslims of some continent. On this day, Pakistan gained freedom from the British rule. During the British power area, Muslims faced many hardships, but through the lateness efforts of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the Muslims of some continent, today we are living peacefully in our country, following our religion. Let's salute the father of nation for this great fought for the establishment of Pakistan. But today we have totally forgotten the purpose behind the creation of Pakistan. This is not the same Pakistan Allama Iqbal had dreamed about. This is not the same Pakistan for which Quaid-e-Azam has sacrificed everything, even this life. We need to realize the true meaning of this country. We should not divide into processes, parties and cost. We need to show unity and brotherhood. We need to act upon cash, wages, unity, figure and display. We have to work together for the peace and prosperity of our beloved country. Let's pray that our country attains the laws of success and supremacy. Ameen. Pakistan Zindabad.